Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable link on your TikTok bio. So if you want your TikTok followers go on your link you post, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. The first step I'm going to do is to go on YouTube to copy my channel link. And by the way, check out my channel and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Now when you copy YouTube link, you need to open your TikTok app on device. Then you need to go on your profile by tapping on this little icon in bottom right corner of the screen. After that, click on Edit Profile in the bottom of your profile picture. So now when I paste link on bio and go to Save Changes, TikTok will show the link in bio, but that link is not clickable. So we want to add a link then people click on that can go on link you share on your profile. So the right way to do that is to again click on Edit Profile. Then scroll to the bottom of the page to go on Social section. So now we have YouTube link, so we need to click on Add YouTube link. Next you need to connect your email of your YouTube channel to TikTok. I will speed up this process. So when people click on this YouTube logo, TikTok will send on your YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.